Daphne Schippers, wow, this is pretty incredible. Just your first impressions, please.
Oh wow, I'm the second of the world. I didn't believe it, but wow.
You and your coach must have had, did you realize just how fast you could go? You have broken two national records here. You must be so proud of that.
Yeah, I know that after the semi-finals when I run the national record, I know that I can run faster than I did. On the track on the outside in the warm-up, it was very good. The starts were very good, and I know that I can run faster in the finals, and I did it.
Do you think it was your heptathlon, background that actually helped you to keep your composure and to maintain? Because you seem so smooth the whole way through the championships.
Yeah, that's easy. You know that you must compete every race and stay relaxed in your head because in the heptathlon you need that to do all the events, and I'm so happy.
I mean, it's just a momentous. You're the first Dutch woman to get to the top of the podium. Well, very close to the top of the since Fanny Blankers-Koen.
Yeah, that's true, and that's good for the country, good for Europe, and yeah, I didn't say more than that.
And I think Holland is going to be very proud of you today.
Yeah, I think so.
What kind of celebrations will you be doing today, Daphne?
Not that much because the 200 meters is coming. Yeah, stay relaxed and have a little bit fun for the medal, and then stay relaxed and go to the 200 meters.
So you now have a silver in the 100. Are you looking also to get a medal in the 2?
I think it's possible.
It's possible too. Thank you, Daphne.
Thank you very much.
So much.
Thank you.
Congratulations again.